Can't hear Instagram video sound? Let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix the sound problem on Instagram video. Now, if you are playing an Instagram video and if you can't hear the sound, then it might just be that you have turned off the sound. Now, if you open up the app here, you can see I've opened up, and if you play a certain video, now you'll get a little volume icon on the bottom right of your screen just below on your post. So you want to make sure that it's not crushed and make sure it's toggled on. Now, since I've turned my volume low, you can't hear it, but what you want to do is tap on the volume icon that you can find on the right hand side of your device normally, and then make sure it's not fully turned off and make sure it's turned on, and then turn this on and you'll be able to hear the sound. However, if that isn't the case, or it isn't the case and you still can't hear sound on your video, then it might just be a bug or a glitch on the app. Now, it might happen if your app isn't updated, or it might happen due to any other several reasons. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your app store or play store and search for Instagram, and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now, if you're searching for Instagram, if you are on Play Store, you'll get an interface like this, and you'll get an update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. Now you can see my app is updated. If your app is updated and this problem still continues, then you want to reset your app or offload the app. Now to do so, scroll down notification bar, and on the top right corner of your screen you'll find the settings icon. Tap on it and scroll down all the way below and head over to apps, and once on apps you can search from search bar for Instagram. Now if you are on iPhone, you can always offload the app. If you are on Android, however, head down and head over to storage, and on the bottom you'll find the option clear data. You can see it on the screen right now. Tap on clear data and tap on delete, and this will basically reset your app. It's as good at uninstalling and reinstalling the app. However, make sure to back up your data or find a way to log into your account, because if you don't have the way to log in back to your account, then you'll just lose your account, because this will basically log out your account and delete all saved credentials and data of your Instagram app. And once you do this, you should be able to play the video with sound. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.